Hi friends, this is Mithun. Welcome to my YouTube channel TechCube. Today I am going to show you how to apply the dispersion or decay effect on any of photos through the Picsart application. So if you want to download the Picsart application, then the link is given in description area. So now let's get started. First of all, open the photos, then go to the edit option. You can see here the Picsart application. Now here various options are given, so go to the cutout option, then select the area of image. Okay. Now go to next. Okay, now edit this image. So wherever required, erase area or fill the area with the option given below. So now if you have properly select the area, then no need to edit like this. Okay, now save this and go to next. Okay, save this into gallery. Okay, then go to back. Initial stage of the application, starting point. Then go to this plus option, then go to the drawing. Okay, pick canvas, and from that select the 16:9 ratio canvas. Okay, I have already selected in landscape mode. Then go to next. Okay, now select the photo which we have already created, then write it. Okay, now put it on area which you want. Okay, now I have put this at this place. Now then next, edit the image, then go to tools. Here you can see in corner right side dispersion. So press this and highlight the option of image like this. Okay, highlight the image on which side you have required the dispersion. Means I have required the dispersion on the right side of the image, so I have highlighted this place. Okay, now go to next. Now three options are given: stretch, size and direction. You can edit this, how much extent stretch required, and size, how much size particle is required for dispersion, and third one is the direction. So in which direction you have required the dispersion. So now size, now direction. Okay, select as per your requirement. Now your image is ready. Dispersion effect is already put up. Then select it right. You can also add the effects on this image. So go to the effects. So various effects are given: light cross, HDR, closure, noise. So I have applied the light cross. Right click. Then go to next, and then save it to gallery. So friends, that's it for now. If you still not subscribe my channel, then hit that subscribe button and bell icon. Thanks for watching video. Take care.